right, here's the project for today. This is the table and chairs, a standard that comes with an RV. There's cushions that go on here. It's mounted to the floor and doesn't move and everything. We are going to take these all out, cut off the backer boards, get rid of this table, and install a desk and chair here. But the real task is to mount the drawers from out there, here and here, and then put down a platform over top of it to hold the mattress. That way you get a full-size twin mattress in here, and I get a real desk and table out here. So let's get to it. All right, here we are at the end of the project. We took a kitchenette that didn't do us a whole lot of good out so we could put in a desk, and you'll see that video coming up, and I hope you'll come back for it. So if you don't want to miss it, please make sure you like and subscribe. We built this with the same cabinets and reused them. We reused every piece of it except the actual legs that were holding the table up, and we will use these for some other project in the future. We put a nice mattress in here to give us a good place to lay down and sleep. And when you aren't here and you want storage, this still folds out as it did originally, but instead of having the kids' bed down here that makes it impossible to have anything worthwhile, now you have an adult-sized bed. Now, you might not be comfortable with as close as this is to you sleeping with that open, but you can always fold it up. So, I would call this a huge success. It was exactly what we were looking for. I didn't want to throw the cabinets out, and I didn't want to lose all the space that came with the cabinets that was out there. So here, I keep all the space, and I get to use all of the materials and not waste anything. I hope you like this. I hope you'll subscribe to the channel and catch more good videos like this in the future. And we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.